So a great event today. We've got fantastic attendance, probably about 250 people, cross-sector, technology, industry and academia. So a real mix reflecting that kind of ecosystem that you need to kind of introduce AI, digital transformation into industry.
We have got a fantastic turnout, so we have got a lot of end users from across industrial sectors, aerospace, utilities, food and bev, to name a few. We also have a lot of technology providers. There are some very small SME providers as well. And there are a few people in the audience from academia as well. So I think for me, it kind of brings everything together.
We had Innovate UK talking about the challenges and opportunity, but also about how they're enabling the funding mechanisms so people can get on board, start to network and sort of tap into the funding to enable their journey. We had 3 keynote speakers from GKN, BAE Systems and 3M. So really talking about their journey and the practical engagement, the sorts of capabilities, some of the team structures. So really practical advice and quite detailed advice as well.
At today's event I've been speaking around what artificial intelligence can do for manufacturing, how artificial intelligence is emerging, what the manufacturing use cases are, what the challenges are and the barriers are, but then also very specifically about what BAE Systems is trying to do and why.
AI is transformative, but we're at the early stages still. And I think by people coming together and sharing experiences, then I think that's really beneficial. That large organisations showing what they're doing can help the smaller organisations get on the path to success.
So the key benefits for attending this event is, of course, the networking side of things, but also to get an indication of the knowledge that is being shared. So our industrial speakers have actually shared their vision, their roadmap, their journey, as well as some of the use cases and the challenges that they have faced as well. So I think for me, this is really key for any other organization who want to take a step ahead into the journey, into their adoption of AI journey. This is something that they can take on board and they can adopt in their enterprise as well.
The benefit of coming to an event like this is really the opportunity to network with suppliers and small businesses, but not only that, it's the Catapult centres themselves. This is really the hub of where the technology is going to be developed and understanding the capability of what's around in the UK.
So I think what UK businesses can get out of the event today is an initial understanding of artificial intelligence, what it can do for them and how it can accelerate their business processes and opportunities for them to grow in the future.
The highlight for me today has really been the energy in the room. The lecture theatre was full, people were standing at the back, people really engaged. I think that's great in something like this. Really bodes well for the use of AI in the country.